Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me Ramsha Sultan, and today I am going to share with you guys a secret face mask that I personally use, and it has helped me tremendously with the pimple problem. It dries out the pimples and even fades away the acne scars, and I'm going to tell you guys what this remedy is. Also, stay tuned till the end of the video because I am announcing a huge giveaway. It's a surprise for you guys, so stay till the end. Now let's begin with the video. So for this home remedy, you will require multani mitti and apple cider vinegar. Take 1 tablespoon of multani mitti and put it in the mixing bowl. 1 tablespoon of multani mitti is enough to cover your entire face and neck. Now take apple cider vinegar and pour it in the mixture. Pour apple cider vinegar in smaller quantities to make a good paste. You can always add more if required. Mix it well so that no lumps are left, and your face mask will be ready in 2 minutes. Apply this mixture on your face and neck for half an hour and then wash it off with normal water. Apple cider vinegar has antibacterial as well as antifungal properties which kills the pimple causing bacteria. Multani mitti or bentonite clay actually absorbs all the gunk from the pimple and hence dries out the pimple. Together, this apple cider vinegar and multani mitti combo works perfectly on the pimple and gets you rid of that nasty thing on your face. Generally, apple cider vinegar has a very pungent smell and it is unbearable to actually use it. But the Wow apple cider vinegar does not smell bad and you can use it in so many things. I personally like it because of this, because apple cider vinegar has so many good properties, but the smell used to actually prevent me from using it because people around me used to be disturbed by the bad smell. But since Wow has introduced this amazing apple cider vinegar, I can use apple cider vinegar for all its good properties. Whenever you're purchasing any kind of apple cider vinegar, make sure that it has a mother of vinegar in it. And Wow apple cider vinegar does have mother of vinegar in it. So it's an absolute buy from my side. I highly recommend it to everyone out there. If you are a working woman or you go to college and you do not have time in your life to do these home remedies, then you can use Wow apple cider vinegar face wash. This face wash cleanses and balances the skin. It refines the pores and controls acne. It is free from parabens, sulfate and silicones. After using the face wash, we should always use a toner because it closes our pores and hence it does not allow dirt to accumulate in our pores. Thus, overall, you will not get acne. This is the trick to be used, and hence you should also be using a toner. Wow also has 10-in-1 Miracle Apple Cider Vinegar Mist Tonic. This mist is powered with pure and raw apple cider vinegar. And now for the giveaway part. You can win Wow apple cider vinegar face wash, Wow apple cider vinegar face mist, as well as the pure apple cider vinegar from Wow. I will choose 2 lucky winners who will win this big hamper from Wow. All the rules would be mentioned in the description box down below, so go ahead and check it out. Also, comment down below and let me know why you would like to win this giveaway, and who knows, you might be the winner. And this was the simple home remedy which you can do thrice a week to completely dry out your pimples and fade away your acne scars. And trust me, it will help you. It will also exfoliate your skin and give you a youthful glow, and you will definitely thank me later. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos. And yes, do follow me on Facebook and Instagram, especially Instagram, to win this giveaway. And I'll see you next time. This is me, Ramsha Sultan, signing off.